Hello guys, I hope you are doing great. So in this short video, I'm going to show you that how you can fix your bad story quality on Instagram on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you just have to open your Instagram application. Here's mine. So from here, you have to disable Instagram's data saver if it's enabled on your iPhone. So to do that, just click on your profile icon, click on these three bars, settings, then go to account. And from here, you can see this option of data usage. So from here, you can see these two options, high quality uploads, upload higher quality videos on mobile or Wi-Fi. It may take some time or size, but it will be worth it. So let's turn it on. And second option is to use less mobile data. If it's turned on, please turn it off. Go back, back. So as your first step, you have to tweak your data settings in Instagram on your iPhone. So in the second step, just make sure to have a proper signal of Wi-Fi, or you can switch to data as well. And if your internet connection is weak, Instagram will compress your stories. So in third step, if you still cannot get a good quality, just try using your iPhone's own camera app instead of Instagram's camera. So that was it for today, guys. I really hope that you loved this cool video, because if you did, please don't forget to like this video and remember to hit the subscribe button for this channel. Thank you.